Hello friends, welcome to our channel Art India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DCA September 2021, and in this video we are going to discuss few important questions from numerical ability section, and this is going to be part 9 for numerical ability section. Now in an election, A got 39% of total votes, B got 15% of total votes and C got remaining votes. If the difference between the votes received by A and C was 56,000, find the total number of votes A received. So first of all, A received 39% vote, B received 15% and C received, it would be equal to 100 minus 39 plus 15, that is 100 minus 54, it would be equal to 54, that is 46. So 46% vote has been got by C. Now the difference of vote received by A and C, difference of A and C, it would be equal to 7%. 46 minus 39 would be equal to 7%, and it is given equal to 56,000. So 1% would be equal to, divided by 7, 8,000, and we have to find what? Number of vote received by A, that is 39. So 39 into 8,000, it would be equal to 8 into 9, 72, 8 into 3, 24, plus 7 is equal to 31, and 3 zeros as it is. So 312,000, it would be right answer. Karan sold his car worth rupees 80,000 to Rajat at 13% profit. Rajat sold the car back to Karan at 3% loss. The extra gain of Karan in the entire transaction is. So first of all, worth of car is equal to 80,000 and Karan has sold it at 13% profit. So 13% of 80,000 will be equal to this, and 13 into 8 is equal to 104, and these two zeros are remaining, so it would be 10,400. So the cost price for Karan is 80,000 plus 10,400, so it would be equal to 90,400. So this is cost price for Rajat, that is 90,400. Now Rajat has sold the car back to Karan at 3% loss, and we have to find extra gain by Karan in the entire transaction, and this 3% is itself the extra gain by Karan. So we have to find the 3% of this, and that will be our answer itself. 90,400 into 3 divided by 100, and these zeros will be cancelled. So just multiply 904 in 3, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 9 into 3 is equal to 27. So 2712 is the correct answer. This would be the extra gain by Karan. Now A sells a good to B at a profit of 10. So let CP for A be X. Then CP for B will be equal to X into 110 divided by 100, as A is taking 10% profit and B sells it at a profit of 15% to C. So CP for C would be equal to 110 divided by 100 into X into 115 divided by 100. This would be CP for C, and CP for C is 1012. And we have to find cost price for A, that is we have to find X, and from this equation we can easily find value of X. So X would be equal to 1012 into 100 into 100 divided by 110 divided by 115. So now we have to solve this. This 0 will be cancelled, and now this is divisible by 5, so it would be equal to 23, and this is also divisible by 5, it would be equal to 20, and 23 can divide this. 23 into 4 is equal to 92, and here 9 will be left, and here again it will go 4 times, so it will go 44 times, and now 11 can cancel this 4 times, and now nothing is left in denominator part. We have to solve just numerator part, which is 4 into 10 into 20, and it would be equal to 20 into 10 is equal to 200 into 4 is equal to 800. So option 8, 800 is correct. Now A person purchased a mobile phone at 20% discount on the market price. If the cost price of the mobile phone is 15,000 and he sold it at 20% profit, then what would be the market price of the mobile phone? So first of all, SP is equal to, shopkeeper is selling at 20% profit, 120 of CP, and this would be equal to, he is selling at a 20% discount, so 80% of market price. So this will be equation, and we have to solve this and we will find our answer very easily. And we have to find what? We have to find market price, and CP is given to us, that is 15,000. We just need to do what? Cancel this 100 from both sides, cancel this 0 from both sides, and now MP is equal to 12 by 8 into 15,000, and it will be 3 divided by 2. We are cancelling it by 4. So now just divide this 15,000 by 2. It would be equal to 7,500 and multiply by 3. And it would be equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15 and 7 into 3 21. 1 carry 22 and 2 0 as it is. So it would be equal to 22,500. Option C is correct. The ratio of ages of father and children is 8:1. So let father's age is 8x and child's age is x, and their sum is given to us 36. So x plus 8x is equal to 36, and 9x will be equal to 36, and x will be equal to 4. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Then find the ratio of age of father to the age of child after 8 years. So current age of father and child will be equal to 8 into 4 is equal to 32, and for child it would be equal to 4 itself. And after 8 years their age will be plus 8 plus 8, that is 40, and it would be equal to 12, and we have to find the ratio. So here we can divide it by 4. It will be 10 and it would be 3. So correct option here is 10:3. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.